Hi, very good evening to all our viewers. So it's really a pleasure to have so many youngsters this time with me from all over the country. I mean, it was a real great time, guys, I had with you for the last 3 days. Although we're in the fag hand, we still have work to do. Huh? Stop smiling now. We have to go back and work. So this is as a ritual. We just try and take a small review of whatever your expectations was and how was it. Was it met? For this 3 days hair restoration workshop. So let us try and understand from all our viewers. I'll introduce, I think that's better. So we'll start with Dr. Akshaya. So Dr. Akshaya is a maxillofacial surgeon from Bombay itself. From which part of Bombay?
Vadala.
Vadala. Okay, so she is a maxillofacial surgeon from Vadala. So let us try and understand from Dr. Akshaya how it was and was your expectations met and how was it for the last 3 days?
So like I have already told sir, so when I came here I already had a background of hair transplant, and for 6 months I had been under someone, working under someone, and like I just needed like a polishing. That was my expectation when I came here, and nobody else could polish me better than Dr. Arun Panda sir. And exactly those minute details which I had lacked when I was working there, and the findings that I was expecting from sir, that there's a one quality that differentiates you from an okay surgeon to that great surgeon. So that is what I came looking for, and I could get that from sir. Thank you, sir.
How was your vada pav and
Yeah, food, of course, we had a great time, and it was honestly speaking not just an educational workshop. Sir really, I really got to know sir at a personal level, and like these 3 days we were not just like, it was not just theory or just practical. There were also like, a little bit of personal things that I got to know about sir, and we had a nice time. It was great.
Thank you so much, Dr. Akshaya. I look forward to see you doing a lot of cases. You guys have to take the fraternity again.
Yeah. But keeping you in like
that is not a problem. You took the photograph. You remember the photograph. I'm always there with you. So Dr. Anchal is from Bangalore or Muradabad?
My native is from Muradabad, but I'm practicing in Bangalore.
Okay, Dr. Anchal is a maxillofacial surgeon, a youngster again, and looking forward to seeing you a lot of. Where in Muradabad you want to start or in Bangalore you want to start?
Mostly Bangalore, I think.
Great. So Bangaloreans, you're going to have another big maxillofacial surgeon coming in with doing a lot of hair restoration. So, people.
So I was into aesthetics actually. So I wanted to learn about hair transplant in detail. So that's when I searched a lot about, with whom I can learn about hair transplant in detail. That's when I came across Dr. Arun Panda sir. And then I'm really glad that I made this decision to come and learn under Arun Panda sir. And I'm really grateful for all the learnings and all the practical tips and tricks that I'm taking along with me, that I'll be, implementing in my practice. And also whatever learnings Aarti ma'am has, taught us, it was such a pleasure being here. Your hospitality and the warmth that, I have received from both of you and all your in-house staff was really commendable. So I'm really grateful that I could come here, and I'm taking lots of learnings along with me. So
Lots of love from us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anchal. So we have Dr. Vasant, who is a general surgeon, and from which part of Andhra? Hyderabad. Okay, Dr. Vasant is a general surgeon from Hyderabad. It was really fortunate to have you here, sir. It was really a pleasure to have you here again. I know you're not a camera loving person. You are so shy every time we speak, but then we would like to know what exactly was your expectations, and could we match up to your expectations?
Yeah, definitely. The training is much better and more than my expectations. It met, and as you speak, the hospitality is good. Aarti ma'am's hospitality, and the way you teach us the theory part, the practical hands-on training, it's very good. And last night we enjoyed a lot. So we have very
good. I had a great
time. Along with the education, we have some good time, good memories along with all the participants. It's like fun learning, along with, and it's not like you keep on teaching something and we keep on writing It's not like that. That regular stuff where you teach and we learn. It's like a gameplay or it's like fun among the friends. So you have been a good teacher, great teacher actually. So more or like a friend rather than a teacher, I should call you. So and what I like the most in this particular thing is after finishing, we finished the 3 days of course and we are going back. But you said I'll be there for you 360 degrees and 24/7. So that means a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I mean, it's really pleasure to have you here, sir, and I look forward to seeing you doing a lot of cases.
Yeah.
Hyderabad should be seeing you with a lot of hair transplants. We have got 2 kiddos with us from Srinagar, all the way from Srinagar. So let's start with Dr. Yunus. So Dr. Yunus is from Srinagar. So let's understand from Dr. Yunus. So how was it, and what are you going to do, and what's your plans?
Coming here was a last moment decision for me.
Yeah, I know.
For different reasons, but I'm glad I made that, and I'm here. First of all, I would like to thank sir and ma'am. You have been very kind and hospitable. Being from Srinagar, we are known for hospitality. But
I know. We could match that. That's
Yeah.
really oh, that was
Maybe even better. I don't know.
wow. That's so nice of
And
you.
honestly, it was a good learning experience. It was an interactive session, and that was much better and more of discussions rather than those long, boring lectures. So it helped me a lot, and I'm sure sir will be there.
I'm
And
always
we
there.
will meet very soon.
We will meet very soon. Yes, we are going to meet very soon. Thank you, Yunus, for coming all the way here. And now let's go to the kiddos, the child of the batch. So Mehak is from Srinagar again. So we would like to know what Mehak expected, and could we match up to your expectations? And are you I wish so. You are so focused, and you're going to take our fraternity maxillofacial surgery to a different level altogether. This is how one should be focused. I'm really proud about you. I mean, you're determined that I have to do it. That's really nice. So what do you have to say, Mehak?
Hello, I'm Meg. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for really making us your family. And even if I exclude these 3 days, I know we are going to have your back and Nam's back. I'm just a sapling to the new fraternity, OMFS. I've just joined 4 months back. So I had a plan that I'll be going into cosmetology, but now I am damn sure that the PRP thing, these 3-day experiences, hair transplant, this has genuinely increased my inclination towards this branch more. And as I'm from Maharashtra only, I'm going to come to your clinic every now and then after my PG now. So I get a permanent job here only. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Really, it was a great experience. I'm very glad I came here. Looking at everything, every procedure, it really fascinated me a lot. I'm a very young person right now. Looking at the products, looking at the procedures, how they are done, new machines. I have never seen in my past UG life. So this was really enlightening to me, and I am very thankful to you. I'll be here again and again for new courses because I will not be getting it anywhere else.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much, guys, for coming in all the way, leaving your practices, leaving your family. It was really nice to have you all here. And thank you so much once again, and cheers to you all.